Hi folks, Mark Lenzer here with Re-Roof America. Today we're going to talk about starter strip. As you can see, starter strip is just this little strip of shingles or partial shingles, or in this case it's a factory manufactured starter that goes along the rake and the eaves of every roof that's installed correctly, that is. This side is a rake. As you can see, we're high above, up on a roof, goes all the way down in the eave, which goes across the front of the house, which is right down here. That starter strip is applied at the bottom and all the way up the top, all the way to the peak, or it will be in this case. The starter strip has a couple different purposes. The primary purpose is for wind. It gives an extra barrier of wind protection against gusts coming into the side of this house. Actually, most manufacturers recommend that this starter strip be applied to get the maximum wind warranties available. Just another tip from Re-Roof America, North America's favorite contractor.